now I can confidently say ukuthi I did medicine purely to just say ngiyabonga ma no baba. So from the word go we knew. So ngangihlezi ngithi uyazi if I could host ama-beauty pageants amaningi imandeni yonke and I have every young girl aspire to be uMiss what ngingayinciphisa i-teenage pregnancy. It was that pressure sengise medical school that gave birth to izinto Girls Network.
Yeah.
Ngoba I'd have omama beng-DM on Facebook bethi ngicela ungikhulisele ingane yami. So and yabo ngiye kuyo ngisahlala eRes.
Uyarent ifets wena. Girl alright uhlala morning side.
Ubise eThekwini like
Hello.
I felt like nangu Miss World. And then hayi mangifuna izinto and then izinto ngangithi ziyenzeka azenzeki but I still had to show up as if izinto ziyenzeka. So
Yo.
ngisho ngaleyo
Yo.
Sifuna lapho.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ins podcast. My name is Utobeka Ndwandwe, and those that love me call me. Yeah, I need to work on my intro, guys, but hey, that's not what we are here for today. Danke machiteri, danke ma sister. Shout out to Angel who could not be with us today, and to Jack and Shulex. I miss you. Come back already. Anyways, ngihamba nobani emuva namhlanje. Babu Maluzi.
Hey, oh, Papa. Anyway, shout out to Teddy. Yeah, anyway, Pepu Shepherd says weed is kanshim. Danke machite the Ins podcast. Imashile. Yeah, when I'm trying episode 10, I'm trying to out.
Hi, baby, I'm developing new things. You weather. I'm blaming on this weather. I'm blaming on this cold front.
Welcome to the East Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Ikabu Kangiso Nkomi, your co-host, Take Machite, Taking my sister. Salute kumwegeti, umusa, umalwandi, uprizi, uzithu. Take Machite.
Danke, Machite.
Thank you, my sister.
Thank you, sister. Now you can introduce yourself, my love.
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Welcome to the Inspo podcast, and I am Miss Beryl Shizzy.
Oh, let's umzala wakho. Let's umzala wami ke next week.
Umzala ukhohle ukuthi
Let's umzala la.
Thobeka umzala ukhohle ukuthi ikati.
Ngani?
Angithi hawu wena uthande ngingasho ukuthi
Umzala shono.
Thank you, my sister.
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, vele hlezi lethu guests namhlanje. So, angikho gedwa. Thwane iWest Asian, angithi iWest bathi iWest Asian.
Ngathi ayilahlani.
Ayilahlani oyo. Akayena waseWest wangithethisa yathi ngihla waseWest ibini waseBlans. And so, nami ngiletha umuntu wangasekhaya, nami ngiletha umzala wami wangasekhaya. Nami ngiletha umuntu wangasekhaya eMandeni. Anyways, Mama, hi. How are you?
Thank you. Thank you,
No, you can't. Thank you, my sister.
Thank you to us.
How are you, Mama?
I'm good, guys.
Thank you so much for coming.
So happy.
Like we can do it. Oh, say I'm for the booyah. No, guys, just again, we are doing a very great job.
I'm so happy. Just wanted
Yes.
to get that out there.
Thank
Hi,
you so
guys.
much. Hi, Mama.
Kube sengiwazi wonke umuntu wazi ngamagama bese
Gabe sudansi badi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are
I'm
you?
excited.
Well,
Good.
thank you. Finally here.
Full.
We look gorgeous. No, kuyasazi nje event yasemandeni. Taki ta iWest Asian. iWest Asian. Taki lapho mandeni. Taki taxi. Taki chapis. Bayazi. Hayi bazoba right. Abasemandeni bayazi. So we're gonna give you an opportunity to introduce yourself as well. Yes, phela ngithi wonke umuntu ushilo into yakhe. Nawe sesikunika ithuba ukuthi uzintroduce.
Sanibonani. Hawu guys, manje akuva umuntu.
Oh, ngapela. Bafethu i-Western Shiad. I-Western Shiad, bafethu. I-Western Shiad sisonke.
All right, cishe ngasho enye into kanye sadeyisho about ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani kodwa it's fine. Hello, sanibona noma ngingafumanga. Ngunompumelelo,
Yes.
uMankosi wakwaNtombela. Yeah, ingane azalwa eMandeni. Kodwa manje senginama address amaningi. Sifuneke ngazuthi ngifeel guilty uma ngayishonga inkandla.
Accommodate ngomuntu.
Uyabona, uma ngashonga inkandla. So from Mandeni to Gadla. Yeah.
From Kandla too.
Yeah, from Kandla to here.
Okay.
I'm just nje umuntu wesifazane who's just trying to be better.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's me.
Wow. You know what? I was telling the guys where we had, so every time when we were going to have someone, we would have an interview. Yabo? Well, not an interview, rather what is it?
Brainstorming session.
Brainstorming session. Thank you. Bengifuna ukusho elinye igama. But anyways, lavela ngishiya kanjalo. So that's what we would have. And the conversation was, okay, fine. So angifuna ukuthi le moment kube ukuthi I know you because of course I know you. But ngifuna treat as if I'm a stranger and we are meeting for the first time and I just want to know about Ulelo. Yes. So that's how I want us to treat it, ne?
Yeah.
But of course, I'm going to throw in a few things here and there because you were Stashians. So, okay, my Yes.
Uthobe guys.
No.
Usangidida.
No, ngakadidi. Ngifuna phela ukuthi ngiyabo ngisethe expectation. I'm setting an expectation here. Yes, right? So I just want you to tell us about who is Ulelo.
Yeah, ngiyazi vele ubuya lapho.
Of course.
Yeah, so Ulelo. Yes, I learned so ngoba we women's math guys. Umuntu uhamba yakhuluma, woman.
Yeah.
And as ngilokho ngihamba ngikhuluma, abengirealize ukuthi yazi zonke lezi zinto engifisa ukuzisho kubantu besifazane, izinto engifisa zishiwo kimi.
Okay.
And I think igcine ishintsha indlela ebengizizwa ngayo, especially nje around lesi sikhathi, you know. So there was a time where bebesibuza nge-Women's Day emhlanga. We boldly beautiful. So there was an event on, and then they were like, ubani outside your titles. So I'm just thinking about Lumbuzo because usually please introduce yourself. Okay, I'm a medical doctor by profession.
Yeah.
Blah, 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 blah. So yes, I'm gonna give you the introduction with the titles.
Of course.
And then I'm sure our conversation will definitely unpack Uguti ngubani outside my titles.
Okay.
So guys, yes, I am a doctor. Nompumelelo, I'm a medical doctor by profession.
Yes.
Furthering my studies with public health.
Okay.
Angazi why, but yeah, yeah.
So yeah, Sophie.
Yeah, Sophie. You know, ngibiza ngokuthi I'm an instant mom ngoba I guess immediately when I got married, so I'm a stepmom. So ngithi mina I'm an instant mom.
Of course.
Ngoba should the thing I do
Do to
to
the whole shebang bang.
then over one night I became a mother.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a wife, I'm a daughter, I'm a bestie.
Yeah.
I'm also the founder of iDaughter Nompumelelo Foundation, something so close to my heart. Ingane kahle kahle engikhulisayo, I think intentionally now, especially this year.
Yeah.
And I sit at the Climate Change Council, so I am one of the council members because they're in Climate Change and Sustainable Development Council. Under the premier, and then coming inside. Oh, guys,
The excitement. Oh,
thank you so kufusa. So, ogunye,
drum roll, please.
ogunye kusha. I am now Tobega. Actually, if Nesil, I am one of the new KZN promoters for e-boxing. So,
E-boxing?
Yes.
Are you
I
doing
did
it?
tell you, Yes.
Uyenza.
Zoyenza.
Uzoyenza
Yes,
mina ngiyenza. Shuthi ngizoginqa. Ngizoginqa kodwa iWestern
No,
Shiad.
I'm a promoter.
Okay.
You're the boxer.
Okay.
Yes.
Fair.
So I'll bring the ring. You get a ring in.
Down.
Yeah.
Down.
So I'm one of the KZN promoters. at boxing.
Congratulations.
No, wait, congratulations.
Yes.
Yes.
Yabona, Khetha ngithi sanibona benisho nje na.
Sorry.
Seqala mfati sanibona.
So masubuyak. Sasawazi to sowenze njani.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm really excited about it ngoba into engahlangani nayo but sengihlangene nayo and
Yeah.
I'm just excited to ukuyibona iphila, you know, and yo guys, ngiyanimember nonke net. Yo, so siyixoxa kodwa boxing. Boxing sizoyixoxa, but yeah, that's me ngazalwe eManjeni, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a sister to 4 other siblings. My eldest sister is late and no bhuti omdala nomncane and no sis wami. Yeah, sengicabanga izinto ade
Izinto.
bezisho. Yeah,
Okay.
ngiza la interview. Uma nobaba, they are my babies. Ngibabiza nge-first born yami ne-second born yami.
Okay.
Nje guys, ngikanje noma nobaba I'm obsessed ngabo. Ngathi yabo ezinkulu ngathi ngiqala nqa ubathanda.
All the time.
I'm such a mommy, daddy's girl. Was a teacher's pet ngikhula. I think konke lokho nje every sengibuka nena ukuthi umuntu eseqedile esikoleni everywhere I went ngangeke ngifunction engamtholanga uma endaweni noma ubaba endaweni and nala sengimbonile uzoba
Uzoba ubaba wakho. Shepherd. Umalunga. Awe. Yathanda. Ngokuthatha le-shepherd ngiyaxolisa. No. Sangizule mina king. Ngiyaxolisa. No, guys, I am sorry for my mouth. I'm sorry for my mouth.
So yes, you just into ngicabanga ke sisekamereni. Darling camp for your house.
Yeah.
So yes, angazi into ngicabanga oh guys, I think kufanele diagnose. Kinenkinga cause ingqondo yami
Everywhere, man.
but also it's because I'm so excited.
It's okay. I'm gonna help you. Don't worry. I'm gonna help you.
Oh, besingikuphi? Yeah, that's me. I'm a daughter.
You found a dad today.
Oh, shepherd.
Yes. So from there, where are we going?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Found a dad. So yeah, that's me. And what else do I want to say? Yeah, ngithanda ukuhleka, ngithanda ukukhuluma. I'm worried angazi le episode yenu iyaba in episode 5 hours.
Yeah,
Or
better
not,
not.
ngithanda ukukhuluma. I'm a speaker.
Yes. You wear a lot of hats.
Yeah, kuningi.
My word.
Okunye ngizokukhumbula
As we go,
sikhuluma.
of course. Yes, our brainstorming session, I promise not to ask or promise not to say this, but I'm gonna break the rules. I'm sorry. So we were talking with the guys, and I'm like, no, but Ulelo bra, she's had like, I don't want to say typical, but she's had that life ukuthi ngizofika ngizalwe ngilalela abazali ngihloniphe ngiqede isikole ngiyofunda, have a good career. From a good career you have an amazing partner, you get married, from getting married like yabona ukuthi like axayekiwe lapho si right yabona nje nasemphakathini ingane right. No, like you've always had a good reputation in Kula, you know, and my mom would always say, like my mom would always be like, bukani kumpume yabona nje lento niyenzayo bukani kumpume yabona nanani. It's like we've always like you've made, like you've been a great example to a lot of girls, right? And of course to society, sometimes someone will see that as like, oh well, yeah, no, she's just had like a normal life, no like sad story or no struggle story, because people are just so obsessed with struggle and all of that. But I just want to know, Lil Fitz, come on, like, I mean, what are the juicy stuff here, man? Like, Pume, I get it, then. Like you have supportive parents,
All right.
right?
Yeah.
And Uma and Baba have always been there, you know, for you, even when, like, from the time you were dancing to the time you pursue medicine, where there not like any conflicts in there for them to be like, but why don't I focus on school and book dance and book dance? It's just mere entertainment, you know? And of course, there's always a stigma around it, you know? What was the conversation, Ikai?
Shuthi around ukukhula kwami or
Yes, nje.
yazi angazi.
Mm.
But ngiyakhumbula uma, so my mom is a nurse, usebenza eMandeni. Uthi beke bambuza especially after when sengiqedile yabo isikoleni. So sibeke bambuza impintshi zakhe ukuthi hayi ngeke wayikhulisa ufuna usitshela wayikhulisa kanjani ingane yakho.
Yes.
And noma wa realize ukuthi actually asikazi wathi yabona ke ntombazane 1 2 3. So we've never had low conversation uma ngibuka, you know. Nabazali bami ukuthi yabo kumele uyiphathe kanjani intombazane kwenziwa ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi. Yeah, ayikho engikhumbulayo, ayikho engiyaziyo, but I think akhona ama moments, even though it may have not been a conversation per se, but I think indlela ababesikhulisa ngayo
Yeah.
ekhaya, you know, uma nobaba.
Yeah.
They've always just been about uthando, you know, ukuhleka. Ngiyakhumbula actually sengicabanga ekhaya so simuva from sihlale eKwatasi it's lo
Ngema-suburbs inahlala khona
Emandeni
Hlala
kukhona ilokishi. Kamvuma ikambe eKwatasi. So it was like actually sengicabanga ukuthi that's a new version we've never actually even unpacked ekhaya. So sasihlale eKwatasi ne, and then abazali they went through the things ne,
Sure.
financial wise, some mover, and then so hlala ke elokishini, right?
Yeah.
And then so umuzi wasekhaya wawu like 4-room ne,
Okay.
and wawu nje typical so sasiphuma yo guys
Ema-suburbs,
emenshini
sazi,
umuzi
unestairs,
ongaka
une-tour, go
right?
upstairs,
Amero
to your room.
lakho, wonke umuntu.
Awusekho-ke manje.
Exactly. You know, so literally we went from babam to diding, right? And then ubaba wathenga enye into estradini nje, angazi yenziwe ngento ngazi lama ama-post angathenziwe udaka like yabo. So ebhala ukuthi we may not have much,
Yeah.
but we are happy. And it was one of the things yokuqala ayithenga uma sesimuvile laphaya. And I think uma sengibuka uma nobaba indlela nje abebephila ngayo besikhulisa ngayo,
Yeah.
babe nendlela yokuhlezi ukuzivezela ukuthi ngazuthi we don't have, even if we may have had less, so kuma seasons ethu where we had less, we never knew.
Yeah.
Ngoba bona akaze beshintshe i-standard or anything like that.
Yeah.
They've always approached impilo as having more. And I think ingakho even namanje uma ukesho ukuthi yo yazi abantu bacabanga ukuthi, but they've just always managed ukuphila as if we have more,
Yeah.
even within the less. So enye into engikhumbulayo uma ngibuza ngokukhula kwami, my dad used to yasi ngizohleba ngayo ngoba ade sho something njengoba ngiza la.
Khuluma
he
nge-first born yakho
he
izojabula.
used to say uma ngikhulisa wayehlezi ethi you are my daughter but also you are my son. So bengibiza ngendodakazi yakhe
Indodana.
ephinde ngibize ngendodana yakhe. Wekhona usisi
Did it not offend your siblings?
No, my siblings bagcwele bathi lali bavuma bathi yebo uye nathi sithi uye. Shuthi nje ngabe kuthiwa shuthi uma kuthiwa shepherd nonkanyisi bangibingelela. Fawe bethi danke bajideni besho mina.
Yes, utake masistera ngoba wena. Wathola i-title baby kuba ndodana
You
nendodakazi.
know,
Yes.
so and those are the conversations as well. Siba now no baba, but actually now that I'm reflecting, you also making me think of my touch points.
Sure.
Maybe it may have not been conversations per se,
Yeah.
but it was like my touch points. Umuntu ayemkhulisa, for example, leyo nto.
Yeah.
So mina leyo nto engiforce ukuthi wherever la ngikhona elalela mina
Excel.
ngiyidoda emadodeni says my dad.
Ayikho into ekuzokuhlula.
Ngugeli futhi ugeli owenza izinto says my dad uyabo. But I know now that kwakuyiyona ndlela, it was the best way he knew how ukungitshela ukuthi ungithembe kangakanani with everything
Yeah.
in me. And yes, amongst obhuti bami nosisi mami, I think imina futhi ubaba wayesatshu, so ubaba now sizophuma indawo ye-boxing, so
Yes.
he's a former boxer and right. But besides that, ekhaya way strict ngale ndlela.
Yeah.
So I remember ekhaya was the first child. In fact, namanje akaze bekwenza abanye. Owabizela abazali bami to a meeting, right? So I was like, man, ubaba was
2K.
16. That's 2K. Ama 2K njalo?
Ama-2K, they call their parents to order. Unlike us, ama-1K. Uyanazo uzothola ipamu ulahlwe
But ngathatha isinqumo sokuthi ngeke ngoba ngase ngikhathele ukusaba ubaba yo. Like sasimsaba ngale ndlela yokuthi
mayafika nje.
uyasaba.
It's
Yeah.
not like that.
Exactly. Yabo manje uTeddy Bear kanjani?
Hey boy, he's such a sweetheart.
Awenga njalo. Yabo so wayelowo muntu leyo, and I think mhlambe ilezo zinto lezi ezincane yabo ubaba waye ekhaya efuna ukubeka into ama nail clipper noma uzobekwa ini wayethi umpume who's responsible for that.
Yeah.
So you're making me think of lawo touch points, those moments where ubaba ama responsibilities amathi athila ayibeka kimi and wonke umuntu uyazekhaya. So
Handle.
makufihla umese umpume uyazi, makufihla induku zokushaya zinikeni yena noma yonke into so that uma efika ngifuna i-microphone
Uyazi
buzwa
usuba-
mina, you know.
Yes.
So I think it's all those little things. And yeah, so nje I think I've always been an overachiever umuntu kusukela semncane.
Yes.
Ngangazi ukuthi fanele ngibe number 1, mangazo number 1, number 2. Mangazo number 2, number 3, nothing else, you know?
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that's how I just then
Sort of
kakhula kanjalo.
navigated around life. So you know what? Tell me. Tell me about a break
A break.
in your career.
Which
That
career?
break in your medicine career, because of course you wear so many hats.
Oh yeah?
There was a time where we spoke years ago.
Because thing I was, I'm like, did you do research or gambe you?
I did my research. I don't know. It was research. I don't know
Research.
nothing about this, right? There was a time where
This is a khuluma guys.
Yeah, sounds like Puruma Sor, mina like surprise red side a light today. Yeah.
Don't worry, it's like
Some good times in Nigeria.
this is just the beginning.
mina ngisafuna ukuhamba mina. Ukusalayo.
Yeah. Definitely. Brian, I will chat about chat. I will chat about best camera.
Please.
Engathi lo 5 hours sizohlala ngaphela la.
For real. Yeah.
Yes, no way.
Break.
No, we're mad now. I lost my chain of thought.
Break. Medical. Medicine.
Yes, there was a time where you took a break in your studies, right? And of course, as a top achiever and someone who's always excelled in everything and
Yeah.
someone who's always at the top of something, right? I just want to, I wanted to know, Uguti, what did you feel at that point in time? Because of course, you are always being told, Uguti, umfana wen.
Yeah.
Futhi ntombazana. Yabo? So there's nothing impossible for you. Technically, that's what your parents were saying.
Yeah. Yo, that was one break I needed. And I think as milling it's funny how ngibiza ngompume. Oh, so ngiyabaza abantu bangibiza ngompume shuthi laba ngangikhule nabo eMandleni ngoba ngafika eThekwini ngaba ulelo. So bangibiza ngolelo ngiyazi abangazi.
Good,
Manje lapho
yeah.
funny enough, I'm like I'm going back to nompumelelo now, yabo.
Yes.
A break was a break I needed, ne. So esikoleni ngangistrugglisha like yabo. I
The
think
Pay University is my high school.
university. So the break ngayithatha medical school.
Yes.
Ngifunda la KZN. So yeah, I'm doing medicine and but ngangenza zonke. So I never stopped doing izinto eziningi at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah. So ngiyafunda sharp ngiyaphasa, ngiyamodela sharp
Uyadansa.
ngiyadansa, you know, ngenza ama debate, ngidlala netball. Ngangikwazi, I think ngakhula ngikwazi ukwenza ukubalansisa inverted commas.
Sure.
Growing up. So when I got to medical school ngiyakhumbula futhi ngithatha esikoleni ngafonela ubaba ngithi baba sebengithethile elento because I didn't apply for ngangafuni but ungafuni kwami ngoba I think ngangiyidata Mr. Singh principal school.
Yes, I remember.
Sesifunda ndawo.
Estenga High.
So Mr. Singh wathi no wayidabula my CAO bafaka medicine kuqala. I think ngangifaka sports science, ngafaka optometry, ngafaka physiotherapy.
Yeah.
I don't know, ngafaka media, I think. And then what you know, put medicine, inkinga ka-medicine mongayifaki as a first choice. Ndabo mhlambe ngeke bekule ntuza.
Yeah.
So wayidabula le yami wafaka medicine yena. And then wasathi-ke, yeah, uzoyisayina. And that's what he filled in my CAO forms yonke.
No way.
So I was like, oh, okay, but also nje kuba udokotela ke ngangithi manje yabo the lion in me, if there's a lion iyasho ithi lalela girl ifuna iyaphuma. Now I can confidently say ukuthi I did medicine purely to just say ngiyabonga mama nobaba. So from the word go we knew. So ngamtshela ubaba, yeah, mfethu ngithethiwe la. Manje ngizoyenza njani ngoba mina ngisafuna ukumodela, ngifuna ukuyodansa, ngifuna ukuvela ku-TV, ngifuna ukuba present, right? But ubaba no, we'll cross, I remember washo ngesingisi futhi. We'll cross the bridge when we get there. Those were his words. And then they just promised me benoma ukuthi throughout mangifuna ukwenza ukuthi So senze into
built,
zami,
yeah.
right? And they did that.
Yima nje kubhizi kanje usathi ukwazi ukuthola ama-results akuqualifyile ukuthi uyofunda imedicine e-university.
Hi bo.
Ngoba phela masikhuluma kanje kuba ngazi ukuthi hhayi
Ayi,
usuke
shuthi
uzipasele
wabheka
nje.
iklasi nje ubheka isigele.
No, awuvele upase nje ukuze uqualifyile ukwenza imedicine.
Yeah.
Even from high school, we participate esikoleni kuma-debates nanani.
Oh yeah.
You're also doing all of that and you qualify for medicine.
She was everywhere.
Yes, I was doing everything. I always say, ngazi ukuthi mina ngikholelwa ukuthi I think uma ngizali ngangimodela ngiphuma eswini. Aphuma ngitsha ayifafethe because there's no point in my life where angizazi ngingakwenzi, you know.
Yeah.
Kuswela ngisemncane ncuncu. I think from ithombe zami, I'm gonna share with you ithombe 5, 6. I've just always been ngangimodela ekhaya. In fact, omabi wabona benza ama-pageants egarage.
Okay.
Win with 2 bobo, you know.
Yeah.
So I've always done that. Yeah, and I think as an adult now, break.
Okay.
As an adult, yona into engishayile manje ngoba bese ngifuna iniche. Yabo,
Like
ngifuna-
something.
Yes, even
specific.
academically, I'm like ngifuna iniche. Odokotela ba-specialize left, right, and center. Nami ngifuna iniche. Kanti I do not know how to function in that. Yabo. So
Yeah. ne?
anyways, break.
Yes.
Medical school, sharp. So mangifika esikoleni ngapapa ngabizwa nge-superstar. From first year, I'm like ngifuna ukuba i-class rep. Ngidinga ukwazana ne-SRC ngoba one day I want to be the first female bandani
Bandani.
president. Ngase ngizwile ukuthi angazi yagcina nini umuntu wesifazane kuba president.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, ngifuna ukuba yini lapha. So ngasheshe ngabona esikoleni njengoba ngathi isibhedlela guys. Uma ngiye-Howard, my friends. So my friends babefunde e-Howard. Uma ngiye-Howard, ngibone ngazuthi hayibo ngathi kamvini le movie no Megan Good. Stomp the Yard. Like every movie le vela.
No Megan
Makuvezwe varsity like I'm a movie. Okay, any movie oyaziyo kodwa phesheya evezi university.
Yes.
Yabo I'm in university now, life. So I felt like that uma ngiye eWestville or Howard.
Yeah.
It's medical school. It's yabo nje even nala ekhaya guys ngangizophasa kahle. Medical school ngathi isibhedlela kunje ipassage lecture yabo. So
Yeah.
angazuthi nje ngikwi-class elikhulu. So nakhona mina I'm always eHoward with my friends ozinhle and esikoleni I was like ngizenza njani la ngoba it's not happening. So nakhona esikoleni mangifika nje I'm dancing ama-activities, I'm joining ama-club societies everywhere, but you know, and then ngaba ke first year ngaba class rep, sengikhohlwe ibizwa ngani, but I was that, ngajoyina SRC activities, and my goal there was ukuthi one day ngizoba
Ube
president.
president.
And I was so happy when a friend of mine uNoxolo became
Came.
president. Yabo kho sesindawoni kulento zani, but ngafika isikhathi where I had to choose between politics and entertainment, yabo.
Okay.
Manje angazi mina ama-politician noma kuyenziwe noma into yepolitiki, I'm sure like asikwenzi. Uma kuzoba ne-meeting kumele iphele ngo-2, ngo-8 ngiya-attend. So all those things agcine zingi-affect.
Yeah.
So I chose auditions over meetings, right? And yeah, so nakhona university I never stopped doing izinto engangifisa ukuzenza.
But how are your grades now at that point?
My grades were good, but now ngiseThekwini siba u-200, ngiphuma la siba kwi-top 3 with
Sure.
brilliant. Lapha ngino top 1 bodwa. You know.
Wonke umuntu yinja ngakubo.
Manje nami ngu-best ngakithi kuphela. I
Eish.
remember besukumisa umfana wakuyena, I think we're number 1, angazi noma in the country. So I'm like, kanjani? So it's about 250 manje la. And mina
No, but if you're going to slim esha 100% kwi-math. When you not distinction sharp, kodwa yena usha 100%.
babekhona andingayedwa baningi, you know, so all those things aqala yabo zalento. So I was good, but yabo, but I know I could have been better. So yeah, ngaqhubeka nje ngaphasa kahle. I wasn't acing it though kangako, but angiyekanga ukwenza leso. So I was always auditions, always doing promotions,
Yeah.
always dancing in through and through.
Yeah.
Until so breaky. Oh, the first time I failed Kanyiso was third year. Well, I failed phela ngokuthi ngathola istab.
Sure.
Wait, that's fail kambe vele? Angisazi.
Yeah,
Kodwa
No,
khona
for
lokho.
umuntu onjengawe obe a student ya.
Yeah, it's
masapho
fair,
kuba
but for
yimini.
someone
Abanye
like-
bazothi
Ngoba ngathola u-15 ukuthi ngikwazi ukungena ku-exam.
But it's up in normal university. It's the norm. It's the norm. We've all been there.
but a student ufail lo kwabanye uyabachwela.
Awungiduduzi.
Bashaya ngamasapho njawo 3
Awududuzi, ngokusho njalo.
Ngoba nje ngiqualifyile ukubhala nje Randa.
I just said we all got them.
Mangithola u-50 nje ukuyongena. Ngiyiwathi ngadala sengiyekile ngedala sengithuthukile.
Khona zihamba ngomlenze university sengithuke ngiyo ziqede degrees shaya yonke into kume ngale lenze
One way.
so when this happen again
Ethole isapho.
And bayawuplana umlenze sizothola umlenze.
Ufuna ukuhlala kancane.
Yeah.
Sabe ukuya emakhaya.
Yes.
Ngeke phela uzophela.
Sizothola umlenze waneyafisa. Wesikole bafethu.
Anyways, ngayithola isapho lapho ngithola I had a pageant. I made it to Miss Signature, the national pageant. So I was the one representing KZN. Well, Sasbo too, I think.
Yeah.
So kumele ngiyobhala isapho ngaze yasifuthi
Ngathi ngiyomodela mina.
mina leto you. So but anyways, yeah, ngiyakhumbula hloka third year and I think ngangenza i-microbiology and virology angiyiceli namanje. So ngayenza isapho but then ngalento zakhe made it. Angisazi ngifuna ukuthini ngokufeel ngizobuye ngibuye nkenyisi lapho angisazi ngiyaphi break and then ngangenela umisa eThekwini ngicabanga sikhuluma ama-search phansi ngangenela umisa eThekwini so then my mental well now I know it was mental health issues though ngangingazi ngizoyifaka kuphi back then nga-affecteka a lot of things uyabona ngoba manje kwangazuthi I'm chasing fame and ngala I'm not famous yabo medicine ended up becoming a place of inferiority yabo ngangizizwa yabo uma ngiendaba esesikoleni even to a point where imangenela ama-pageants
Yeah.
ngangingasho ukuthi I'm a medical student to a point where funny enough ubaba umfundisi at church baba Masing weke wathi yazi ngangicabanga ukuthi wawufunda e-DUT or eMangosuthu but ngangihlezi ngiconfuse ukuthi why you skimmer nama-medical students yabo
Yeah.
because I think I've always just been lo muntu who's out there
Yeah.
being a typical medical student. Anyways, fast forward, I think uma sengibuka kodwa manje psychologically ngangiphila in different worlds. And yangabe isaba strength leyo nto ukuthi I mean I know how to
To
balance
juggle everything nan.
it became I think ngangibheklisha ngokuthi kumele ngikhethe lento ngoba manje ngiphila amongst abantu abakhethile
Ukuthi into abazi
yabo bayazi
abazofocus on zona.
babodokotela bafuna bodokotela because the truth is there was no one else eklasini ongangingaxoxa naye ngithi yazi kusasa I have auditions I have to miss school I have to whatever you know
Understand.
Sibuyele lapho because yabo lento zami kuyichaza lapho those are two different things and you hardly find people mixing those two things together. Ngufika e-medical school ayingane zishaya medicine zishaya medicine. Azixubi nje nalutho nje zidla idatha zifocus esikoleni. Kwi-entertainment ngala akho umuntu onendaba nencwadi we-entertainment. Wena usitshela ke incwadi
Never
to put it like that
So how are you balancing these two words? Uzufikele lapho ukuthi uyazikhetha because bakhona abantu uthola ukuthi benza medicine. Bayafisa ukuyiphila impilo nje just ukuphila impilo. But they are so overwhelmed ngeincwadi. Umuntu akakwazi ngisho nokuthi aye e-restaurant nge-weekend. Yeah. So how are you even balancing that? You establish a career and now it's booming as well.
yo that's a good question how was I balancing
When you try to look back, maybe because it's coming also from, I think in a work ethic part, but it might be a gift because awuyenzi at a lower level. Ayikho into oyichansayo.
Yes,
Because wakwazi ukuba umise eThekwini.
Yes,
ngala.
like it's
And you were
like
famous
someone
as well.
it's someone who would say you are a jack of all trades. I mean sometimes Amanda would want to shrink people but say, no, you can't be a jack of all trades. Focus on one thing. Yeah, bo? And my uncle would always say, but you are not Jack. Jack was the problem, not you.
Lelo esakwasani.
Hayi.
Beke ncwadi uyashaya incwadi.
Hey.
Umlethe kumodile uyashaya. Ekudanseni uhamba nama celebrities. Hayi ukuthi akaso umdansi wase
Around him.
Yabo ukuthi even nakwi-politics e-university akekho lapha ezansi akekho kwi-crowd. He's already deciding on whether
Former president,
meeting
noma ke.
noma uchoose everything you're doing it at a high level. It's not like
That's beautiful. I think yazi.
Could it have been an obsession?
I think actually ngiyacabanga ukuthi okay into engicabanga manje ukuthi how I did it was through transparency and honesty with abazali bami. Because now angibanga sethubeni we angiyibekanga ku platform kumele ngiqamba amanga. Because manje if ngangifunda ngenza medicine ngiyaqamba ekhaya ngithi kudingakala imali yezincwadi. Oma babazi mina uma ukuthi ngiyaperforma ne-afro babazi even if kuthiwa ngiyabhala ngolwesihlanu, you know.
Yeah.
So they knew everything. So I think having that honest conversation nabo and having them knew ukuthi in babezongikhumbuza ukuthi hayibo ungakhohle nje sasuyapha.
Samele uyofunda.
You understand? So I think actually iqale lapho having low foundation because ngempela ukuthi ngithanda indlela ebeke ngayo ukuthi ofundayo uyafunda ofuna ogroove akayifuna incwadi. But then now ngikwenza kanjani
Ukuthi
konke.
konke.
I think it's because I had a solid foundation which maybe it's that's why mangihlezi ngireference ngabazali bami ngithi I-support yabo yayichichima to that point.
Yeah.
I remember for every audition ngiyakhumbula kuzoqala ukuphuma i-music video esengangiyisisho
Dancela kuyo.
afro yabo. And how it was a thing for me nekhaya ukuthi I had ngo Friday kwekusadlalani ngambe la live izovela ku live. Kwamele ngigibele ngekhaya ukuze sizoba sonke sizoyibuka i-video music video
Dance.
yami yokuqala on TV uyabo. So yonke into ngangiyenza babazi ukuthi ibalekile even though na mhlawumbe benga understand ukuthi izophelelaphi. But I think bona abazali at the back of their minds babazi ukuthi mase senze show ukuthi uyaphasa mele senze show ukuthi uyawina la mele senze show. So I think ukuba ne honest conversations with abantu engokubone ngisaba nawo wonke umuntu emhlabeni, right, uma ubaba ngangikwazi ukubatshela ukuthi ma ngiyaperform kusasa.
So it gave you the freedom to
Yeah, and yenza ukuthi ngikwazi ukubalansisa because manje angilokhe angisabi lutho ngoba angiqamba manga. I don't have to hide anything.
be. Yeah.
I think it's something.
Listen to that, Lelo, because you are also building a good relationship with your family. Kunabantu ababhizi manje umsebenzi. Wenza imedicine ubhizi umsebenzi akanasikhathi somndeni. Do you understand what you are even getting a time to go home?
To have a good relationship with your parents.
Like, and you talk about this thing as if it's light.
Like-
There are people who are busy, they can't go home because they are working. When uveda ku music video ne afro yayi afro ngalesa sikhathi. Hayi indaba yokudlala. Not ukuthi
Yo, and that was a dream come true, by the way.
Can you
for me.
imagine? So even in your mind, how do you make that switch yokuthi now sisesikolweni?
Now,
siya-
ngiyamodela.
Now
Now,
senza
ngiyadance.
ukuthi. Because then it speaks to your mind and then you can switch these things. Or maybe even if when you do these things, you are able to be present again. If usesikolweni, you focus 100%.
Yeah.
Once waphuma, isesiphumile mfana isikole.
And the food is music.
Asisicabangi ngenye
Lutho,
into
cut.
masisiphumile. Cut shiya kanjani.
Yazi you're making me realize ukuthi ngathi mengiqapha phansi yazi ngekhaya ngiyobonga ngoba how
And the other, and that's what I said to the guys on that brainstorming session. I said,
brainstorming.
no, we couldn't because I need, yes, who travel off out of Kutage.
observer.
No, because, and I was saying to the guys, ukuthi, yazi bafethu, you don't understand, ukuthi, it would be so difficult. No, like, Lelo, it would be so difficult for me to separate myself from indaba yakho, ne? Or what I grew up observing because ngikhule ngikubuka mina. Yabo. And as much as my mom would say, like, why ngafani njengolelo? I'm like, but ngifuna ukuthobeka, but ngifuna ukuthi follow in the steps because there were things that you were doing. Hence, in high school, I was like, you were a head girl. I was like, ngifuna ube head girl. Ngifuna ube head girl. But because ngangihlupha ngabe debut, yabo? Because bafuna ukungihambulisha esikoleni mase lo masimenze abe head girl in this behavior kuzoba nenkinga. So bangenza debut. But every time, yabo, kwi top 10, ngangihlezi ngifuna ukuba kwi top 10. Because I knew ngakuthiwa nje hayi wohlezi ukhona kwi-top 5 top ngangithi noma kanjani-ke manje kwi-top 10 ku-right ayisithengishoyo. So there was just so many things that I actually observed. Yabo. And one thing I was so envious of you, and I said it to the guys. It's like leya nto mfethu uyabona ukutshela ukuzayo nazi yes ungayenza uyindoda futhi uyintombazana yabo. I craved that and I envied you for that.
Yeah. Yo, guys, yabona cabanga ukuthi ngikhale, but I don't know why.
Thomas ngakhali.
Cabanga.
Singakhali.
Reverse. Oh, reverse.
Uthe uma
I don't know.
ungakhali.
I think I've never had anyone unpack it the way you guys have unpacked it. And you're making me, ningenza ngifeel ngazuthi, yo, ngaba ngine X factor. It's like you guys made me find my X factor. But it's crazy because now it's like, especially marriage, it's like I'm struggling to do that. Or as much as I think kusabukeke ngazuthi ngiyakwenza.
Yeah.
But I think upstairs,
Mm.
ndikho ngithi indlela ayibeka ngayo nami ngiyamangala ukuthi hayi man.
How
Me,
could I pull it
you know,
off? Yeah.
And I'm like, actually, Nje, I wish I could go back and tap into that mental strength
That
of
you had
being able
once.
to focus and, you know, and appreciate what I'm thriving in all colors.
Yeah.
And it's okay.
Sure.
Ngicabanga ngisankathi kwakumncabo kaBhunu and ngihlangana, you know, with my Afro brothers and everyone. So ezukhuluma ngicabanga into eyishiwe uSlot. So uyangibona kuSlot. So there was a time where ngifuna ukuba bayibiza ngani, but it wasn't really MC, hype man.
Yeah,
or
we had put DJ or something.
Yeah. Ngiyafuna ukuba yes, hey guys. I wanted to be there because it was stage mic. I'm like, yeah, I'm there.
Yeah.
So uthi mina uSlot, yo sesami, wafocasa. Wawungangitsheni ngani ngifocus njengawe. You know, but kusho like in a joke, but like it's yahlala kimi.
Yeah.
Uthi yo Lelo, you're the most focused person I've ever met. And now njengoba sesingibona as an adult, I'm thinking, kade wafocus usesikoleni, you know. And
Yeah.
for me that was huge. And I think maybe that's my answer ukuthi it's having the it's having leyo gift of being able ukufocus nokuhlukanisa izinto nokusaba ihlazo. I think I've always been
Because
afraid
that's
of
what I also that's what I wanted to ask as well. Okay, Shaba, do you want to say it?
always
Okay.
been afraid of ihlazo.
Can I say, before Shabir, can I say, I think also, if you look at the fact that your parents actually trusted you to be able to juggle the two, also that built a foundation because you knew you had that support system that you couldn't let down. So it kept you balanced in both careers, in both your studying career as well as your entertainment career, because asikuboni lokhu akubaluleka kwabazali isikhathi esiningi, especially when we are alone in university. Uhlezi uyitshela ukuthi, now I've got it, now I'm an adult. So for you to lean so much on them, I feel like for me that was also a strength in your
That's what
thoughts.
kept me going,
Yeah.
ne? Cause ngangazi ukuthi hayi uma umama nobaba begcwele ngalento right.
Exactly.
Futhi ngenza right.
Shoot namandla wasagcwele. So I think even namanje, nothing has changed. It's just that you think akusafani nakudala, but it's still the same. You still have that support. You can still do it like how you did it back then. It's just that probably you've told yourself with now that I did this thing, so I got it. You still have them. You know, the fact that kade sakufonela namanje. So but mina ngifuna esibuye kude yabona mfethu uyashaya impela bo. But manje mfethu ngeke gela imancane. You know, like mfethu ukhula. I think le episode kumele highlight kakhulu ukubaleka kwabazali nokusupport ingane zabo eyintweni noma yini abayidingayo.
Exactly.
When you come from a family where abazali they're supportive and all of that, but then again nangu uthobeka ngapha uthi ufuna ukufana na emphakathini mfethu wenziwa ngayi example uthi hey na ingane, that pressure kuwena, how do you handle that?
How did I handle that? Angazi how I handled it, but it was that pressure medical school that gave birth to izinto Girls Network.
Yeah.
Ngoba I'd have omama DM on Facebook bethi ngicela ungikhulisele ingane yami.
Yeah.
Hence the conversation noma with amanesi.
Yeah.
Maybe as in sengikhula, because I don't know actually how I handled it or how maybe it affected me. Ekuthenini I must live,
tried
yabo,
to-
kumele ngiphile I must always deliver. I can't mess up. You know, I can't, yabo, angikwazi ukubonakala kuphi nakuphi. But I think actually instead of ukuthi ingifakele a pressure of trying to be the best kukho konke, I think for me ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi yangisebenzela ukuthi ngizothini, it worked for me. Yayifika as validation ukuthi yeah,
I'm doing the right thing.
ngibambile ngenza right. You know, having omakhelwane, hence the pajama parties, hence ingane. You yazi guys.
Yeah, we're gonna go there. Wait, ungajahi. Ngizafuna
Ima angijahi,
Nami
ungakhohlwa
nami yazi uzothini but ungakusho lokho uzokusho emva kwalokho. So you're 16, you're starting a girls network, right?
Break.
Wait, Ima.
Such a little
16,
break.
you're starting a girls network, right? And then le 16 hlanganisa ingane ezu-57 zamantombazane. Tell us that experience.
Okay, what's the question, sorry? Isisho phela baba ngaphela.
At 16, bro.
Yeah.
Like uhlanganisa amantombazane.
Yeah.
Oh, 57.
Yeah, so that's 57.
And then
You know that.
uthini kubona, how was the experience and yini wayi-observe nje kakhulu or nowayifunda?
I'm not going to say anything.
She was there.
I'm one of
She's
the 57 girls.
Shut up.
Actually, shout out to you. Shout out to you. You guys are
Eh bakuzama ngabe usasebandeni namanje.
Hi, Buya was always a dreamer. Noma ngikho abadeni. I was always a dreamer.
Oh, Kusam. Yo, Shepherd, why are you taking me back? It was actually NGO, ngangithi ngizoyibiza nge-Girls Network. Back then it was through Miss Vibe FM kahle kahle. So ngangenela uMiss, yo nganginesibindi guys, nganganendaba ukuthi address ithini. Kakuzobhala ukuthi ufuna ukuhlala kwaMashu uzongena uMiss Vibe FM. I was there. I'd get the address kwaMashu. Khona cousin wami ngwaSangwaMashu mina. Go there. NganguMiss Vibe FM and they had this into yokuthi bafuna ukwenza into esa Girls Network. So then actually yazi i-answer yezinto ey'ningi, it was impilo yami as a pageant queen that actually groomed me. Ngoba I was actually I shared it on Women's Day ukuthi lento yeah, a pageant girl, pageant life, it contributed a lot in who I became. And I adopt in my
discipline.
identity and discipline. So actually ngomgqibelo I think batshena ukuthi yazi lento yokumodela, as much as umuntu wengayi emhlangeni and mina ubaba wathi I must use kafana nje uma ngimodela kusekumele ngiyigcine
Yeah.
ngoba ngikwazi ke stage mina sengiyabonga nama boyfriend ukasho kacima, you know, angiyiphethe kahle.
Yeah.
So lento yomodela yayingiforce and ngangikholela ukuthi kumele ngiyiphathe kahle uma ngifuna ukuba South Africa.
Sure.
I must be, angikwazi ukuphuza, angikwazi ukubhema, angikwazi ukuthi. So a point where I remember ngikhuluma trying to motivate amantombazane ukuthi ukumodela literally uhamba kanje, walker, you cross your legs, uvala imilenze, intombazane kumele ivale imilenze as ikhula. So with every sesh I now know ukuthi there's a story behind it. So actually let me say yabona yo guys ingqondo yami ikhu right.
Buya, silana.
Lapha ngakawuphendula ubreak. Shepherd anguphendula ngibreak ufuna ukuphendula.
Siyabuyela again, qhubeka.
You know, I think contribute kakhulu, but pressure and having abazali bethi siza ngengane zethu or sifuna yabo, I always tell my child ngabe whatever because now I've never had a conversation nabazali mina nomakhelwane bami ukuthi yini le nibona kimi. So you can join ngithi ngenhlanhla for me the pressure, the indirect pressure was it positive.
Yeah.
It came as an indirect validation. Engangazi ukuthi ngiyayidinga. But iyayingigqugquzela ukuthi ngiyithembe and have confidence in whatever it is that I'm doing. Because ngiyazi ukuthi, you know, umakhelwane wami mina, yabo kumele ngenze sure.
Yeah.
To a point where uma wayeze ethi ningamtsheni uMpumi ukuthi uThobe kukhulelwe. Ngoba it's gonna kill her.
Yeah.
Cause ingane yamakhelwane in. And then ngize nginaka ukuthi with every beauty pageant so ngangihlezi ngithi uyazi if I could host ama beauty pageants amaningi imandeni yonke and I have every young girl aspire to be uMiss What ngingayinciphisa i-teenage pregnancy because with beauty pageants kwakubhalwa in bold ukuthi kumele ungabi nangane kumele ungakhulelwa umuzolentuza. So for me that was like kumele uyigcine
Yeah.
mina ntombazane. So ngangithi if every girl could aspire to be uMiss
Miss X.
uyabo uMiss wala ekhaya kumele ungakhulelwa period.
Yeah.
Ne? Then that way sesobe sesinqandile i-teenage pregnancy ngakithi ngiyabekisa. So it was those things and ngangiyibelieve kuzona ngifocus kuzona and then wanting to live them out.
Yeah.
So I think for me pressure actually yayingisebenzela. It was the pressure I needed.
And maybe we could even go back because it's like khala ngokuthi oh my god ama-2K awasenzi ngalendlela thina sesenza ngayo in maybe that's another direction because angilibona i-2K elifuna ukuyohlola as much as yes siyababona on socials virgins and promoting that, but maybe that's another way
Way.
because we raise women to be strong. I don't want women to be strong anymore. Well, you know that. I want people to be soft.
Yeah.
So that in a positive way could make us get into our feminine side and be soft, but also having direction. Empilweni zethu ukuthi I'm aiming for something. Iyabajwayeza ukuthi let them aim for something. Let them aim for something. And then it grows even empilweni nje in general. So maybe bringing back beauty pageants would not be a bad idea.
You'll definitely be the judge.
I'll be a girl.
You
I'll be like, why are you not soft? Soft.
Yeah, true. And into, I think ubaba, I'm so glad ubaba is umuntu open-minded. Ubaba ekhaya like ihlobo. Yabo they would tell him ukuthi yo uzayisola ngale ngane yabo perform phela baba yesho uthi yo perform no DJ Sendo eclubini, you know, uyafunda and so baba yena uyachoma ngami, right? So I think ubaba is umuntu open minded njengoba ngithi yena uyena wayethi ngoba but wena beyibuka ngendaba ye safety ethe angeke uye la but i-beauty pageant nje kumele uyigcine angeke ube uMiss wena
Yeah.
odume kabi ubonakala emathaveni. So yabo, so and he's always been open minded. Hence namanje guys ngifela i-boxing ngiblame ubaba ngoba nje ubuthi girly. So
Maybe you can take us through like maybe the 3 things or 4 things that you still carry or if only from your parents.
engifundile from
Your parents.
Abazali. Ezu-3 yaziningi
Yeah.
noma ezu-4.
yo engifundile umama umama ungifundise ukwazi umuntu yabo uma ngisengimbone kaningi ngazi kahle ukuthi yo Thobe akamdeserve uma yabo lo muntu wenza ukuthi nokuthi, but her heart is just for uma wherever there's a human being kindness is to be practiced
Yeah.
nje without uyini inhloboni kapende umcasulula izolo today she will feed you yabo. So I think impilo yakhe ekhaya even within nje emndenini emphakathini I think she's that one person engingabheja ngenhliziyo yakhe, you know. So I think ungifundisile ukuthanda abantu nokunaka to care for omunye umuntu just because umuntu yabo. I think that's that. Ubaba ungifundise nje being jolly, funny, confidence. Baba told me confidence. Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi bethi yilalela indoda emadodini. We in confidence on another level. Even though at the manje sengibona ngathi hayi ule confidence ngathi hamba noma phakathi. So I think from him ubaba back to beauty pageants, my favorite section was the question and answer. It wasn't the modeling. It wasn't.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngangifeel ngazuthi, yeah. People
need
would
to hear
bazozwa ukuthi ngicabangani, I'm gonna say I wanna be a doctor when I grow up or in. I think the confidence kakhulu from ubaba. Ubaba made me celebrate. Ubehlezi ethi uma ungayitsheli uzotshela uba. You know, so zitshene. So I think with him, confidence engaxutshwe nalutho ukuthi nje zithembe. I think from him ilokho. And then angazi ibizwa ngani ukuthi so for example, noma ngizothi ubuntu futhi noma ngisayinto eyodwa, but growing up throughout there was always someone ekhaya who's not merely sengiyazi manje ukuthi hey lo engasizihlobo, you know, kodwa ubaba babezothola indlela yokwenza ngazuthi. I think ekhaya there was always I always had an extra brother, I always had an extra man. Even namanje ubaba has this eye yokuthi esikoleni mezobona ukuthi there's uThobeka uthanda ukuthi nokuthi. Yabo nje dise uwodwa ngazi bangaki inkosi yami ingane sengifonelile ngazo since uyabo yazi ngibona uThobeka yazi uThobeka uyingane nje uyathanda ukukhuluma uyathanda ukwenzani uyathanda in kodwa manje ekhaya banenkinga yokuthi uhlala nogogo kuphela ngazi ini singamenzela yona phelile uthi ngenzani mina lokho akahlangani and futhi sometimes we don't do anything about it. So those are the conversations that keep him up at night. So isikhathi esiningi last year the other year njalo kwa matric manje sekuyi-project intentionally ngiyazi nje 4th term khona ingane ezoyibheka ayazi esikoleni uthisha my dad is a teacher uzoyithatha kanje uzobheka isimo kubo uzohlala ekhaya akhulume noma. So now it goes back to my mom because shuthi uma kumele abe neplate extra that she will take care of, and if she doesn't agree it's not going to happen,
of course.
So and then also now that's how I also indirectly get my mentees engibengabazi, you know, through that. So angazi ngizoyibiza ngani leyo nto, but bangenza nami ngazi ukuthi kumele siyenze. So ubaba unaleyo nto futhi so I don't know ukuthi ngizoyibiza ngani, but angazi that's what I also
is it humility
and
we call it
maybe
that?
enye into engiyifundile kubona ile of choosing ukujabula regardless, yabo. Uma noma bengagowisha begowishe kodwa kukhona no nje ngeke ubabone. My brother at his wedding wake wathi yo baba yazi nganginibona noma ukuthi hayi anikho right kodwa manje sidlala basupport parades angazi khona parade like no
soyithatha futhi le ligi
awulo wrong
soyithatha futhi le ligi
yabo. So my brother said ngomshado wakhe ngisho ngabe kuthiwa abazali bethu baxabene kangakanani kodwa uma angeke uzolipheka apheka ukudla ubaba akuthandayo that regard. So weshela izinto ukuthi one thing yena ayifundile kubaba noma kuma nobaba ile yokuthi ngisho ngabe kuthiwani okusalayo izinto right, the basics must remain, the basics must always remain covered. Ukuthi ngicasukela kusho ukuthi angeke ngisakwenzela itiye,
of course,
you know, all those things. So I don't know ukuthi ngizoyibiza ngani naleyo nto, but it's also that.
I was
Sibuyele kwi-break.
uShepherd sesiyibaba
so break bese ngidlulile kwamina
Kayiso before ukhuluma ngoba uzongenza ngicabanga ezinye izinto. Yo guys niyacabangisa la ekhaya. Ngitshela uma ukuthi akukhala kaqhatshanga. Kaqhatshanga like. So the break thabi ngangenela uMiss fast forward break.
Yes.
Took the break ngoba ngangistrugglisha esikoleni.
Okay.
Not merely ukuthi ngangistrugglisha academically, ngangekho right emotionally. Kunje ngithi I didn't have the word for it. But it was I should say mental breakdown. Lapho was still heavy. Essay ngangibhalile ubaba dear dad. Lapho ngabhala message ahlukene for eyakubaba nangima. Ngicabanga ukuthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ngiyeke esikoleni ngoba right? So ngangifuna ukuthatha i-break is actually ngaqale I wanted to drop out of medical school
completely
ngoba ngase ngibona ukuthi this music is not the music I'm supposed to be dancing to, right? Ngeke ngazama ke third year
ubonani la music
baba wakho musha
Challenge. I think ngabona like yes yoshaphet ubone into uthi yazi lo muntu passionate ngalento mangibuka ama classmates ami uyayifuna lento mina nje ngangayifuni ngambona ngazuthi ngisidom you know it made me
Yeah.
feel like that and I think even if umuntu wayephasa but ngangiphasa ngoba ngangazuthi ingane iyafunda you know but ngangingaziboni till today I think I'm not sure if I shared it ukuthi throughout medical school ngangihlezi ngikhuleka ukuthi God help me find myself in medicine 2026 athandaza umthandazo owodwa you know so I think kwakuyileyo nto especially i-challenge futhi yaqala kakhulu sesenza ama-clinical years so sifunde theory masuba khona la siyakhona ey'bhedlela
Practical.
and I was just like people will say no medicine is a calling nan. I just always felt inferior but also maybe ngoba ngangiyibhelieve leyo nto yabo because then maybe mhlawumbe ngabe ngiqedanga i-medicine
Of course.
so I think nje kwakuyilokho and nganginje the combos were just not communicating guys izinto engangiyifunda ngangingayiboni ukuthi ngizovuka every day mina ngiye esibhedlela ngifake ilento
Yes.
and ngidile nalento I don't think I wanted to save lives in that manner and you can nje ngithi manje the lion in me is like girl uyabo though I now strongly believe I think somehow now that I've stepped out of medicine intentionally and I'm saying it out loud for the first time, I think actually I'm going to find my way back in medicine. But I'm glad, ngoba then I think whichever way mase ngishada futhi ne-medicine, clinical medicine, to be precise, le ukuthi sibhedlela kudile nabantu and save lives, whatever. I think then now isizobe, ngoba singizobe sengifuna ukuba udokotela njengonompumelelo. So throughout, I've always said, no, I'm a doctor because bengangifuna ukujabulisa.
Abazali.
Not to really bajabulisa, ngifuna ukubabonga. Yeah. So yeah, but anyways, yayinzima nayo ukuthi nje inzima ke nje medicine Nkosi yami inzima angihaheli angifisi but I've definitely told every girl child to do medicine definitely but yay inzima nje and I think challenge ngale ndlela number from number 1 number mhlaba number 1 asekugcineni clearly
wayiphasa okusalayo
ngayiphasa
Akusalayo wayiqeda.
Qualified doctor. But I want to go back. I want to go back. I want to take a break.
I felt stupid for so long. Wait, felt. I wasn't sure. Ngangibona ukuthi this is not me, right? I wasn't winning. Ngangasiyo number 1. Maybe that too, because now I'm coming from a culture
Where you
I'm
are always achieving
I get the
something.
titles, I get the number 1. So
And the
now I'm
validation
not.
is there.
Now there are people who are smarter, right? So ngagovisha whatever, it was hard. Academically, it was difficult for me.
Sure.
And ngase ngibone ngazuthi ngangayiboni i-future, ngangayiboni ukuthi ngizoba kanjani lo nompulumo ngifuna ukuba yena esibhedlela or ngudokotela nje kuphela, right? Ngase ke ngathatha i-break ngihamba ngayikhaya this other time. Ngafika ngababuza uma noma bathi manje mabani nizoyenza njani? Uma kuthiwa ngiyabuya nemithwalo yami ngizonitshela ukuthi ngiyayeka esikoleni.
Yeah.
Ngikwenza lokho sengibuzile esikoleni kuma bizwa ngani academic something.
Yeah.
Ngabuza ukuthi umuntu ukwazi ukuthatha i-break for how long before ngibe excluded. Manje no, you can do 2 years away you ngisazokwazi ukubuya whatever bangitshela about people okwakumele behambe beyosebenza mase bayabuya. So I was like ngawuthatha 2 years ne.
Yeah.
But anyways ngahamba uma ngifika ekhaya wathi uma I know umuyeka sokusupport.
Hey.
Ngathi we ngabuyela ekhaya pack my bags ngabuyela esikoleni right so mase nga 50 year ngingenela umise eThekwini I win the lento yokuthi ngifuna ukuyeka ayikaziphele
Sure.
so 3rd year ngiyaqhubeka ngiyaphusha but isakhona lento ukuthi ngifuna ukuyeka
Yeah.
so when I won Miss eThekwini that very same night savumelana nomama nobaba ukuthi it's fine take the break
Sure.
ngoba vele umise eThekwini manje focus on umise eThekwini mase siqedile then uzobuyela went back esikoleni ngakhuluma with abantu
counselors.
yes ngabachaza ukuthi ngicela ukuthatha i-break ngizobuya nini whatever so that's how I took the break
Oh.
but it was a break pending for almost 2 years ngoba ngangiqale ka 3rd year ukuthi ngicabanga ukuyeka ngisafuni
Yeah.
yabo so after Miss eThekwini I used it as ilentuzana and yeah and then Yeah, and then Mr. Tevini opened some doors, but it closed. But it closed others.
Yes, and I wanted to go back. It closed others.
I was telling her, I'm bad.
I want the closed one.
So ushaphethe sesi ubaba wami.
Yep.
Ushaphethe. Sesi ubaba wami.
Yazi wonke umuntu kepha bathi nje
Samno. Usathi
udadewethu
wazi
besefuna ukubuya-ke manje ayibuza-ke shefathi ndiyakunika i-platform
Ukugcina ngeminyango evaliwe.
yes and I wanted to go somewhere also but please yes answer that first please yes
No, yo, mabengiqonda ukuthini.
it opened some and it closed
Yeah, ukuthi uThonkani zaba yi-superstar emva kalokho.
Yes.
And I thought nami ke sengiyi-superstar, sengizoba yi-superstar, I'm gonna get the things nan. Kanti the reality wasn't the vision. So ngisho kanjalo ukuthi it also closed. So but also into engangiyibona mangithi closed doors. I think I was ngineminyaka mingaki? Oh 2016. And ngangingenalo lento ukuthi I mean I wasn't wise enough to understand ukuthi no now ngikamasipala politics you know kunama roles in ubani usibanibani there's a manager there's usibanibani ngireportwa kanje mina nje ngafika ngase ngine office lami under ka parks so ngine office lami laphana guys elithi mina sekusho ngangize ngicela ngifuna no Mr. Thewini eminyango you know. So and yabo ngiye kiyo ngisahlala res yabo
uyarent iflats wena
Hayibo.
kelo right uhlala morning
Mr. Thewini like I felt like nangu Miss World. And then hayi mangifuna izinto and then izinto ngangithi ziyenzeka zenzeki but I still had to show up as if izinto ziyenzeka. So
yo
ngisho ngaleyo
yo
Sifuna lapho.
Funa lenze ngenzeka ukuthi
Lapho khona izinto
lenzeka ezenzeki one of those things
Kodwa uyashow up.
ngathi
Ngathi
ziyenzeka
zenze. Ngoba phela siyabuka thina.
sithi hayi wahamba i-superstar
Hayibo.
kuphela-ke manje
Yebo.
and usehlale morning side une office
Kule office la.
yabo
elithi
umuntu ingane ekubuka emandeni yasho ukuthi hayi yabona-ke manje hayi
you know
Uyaphila. eThekwini.
the flood didn't happen ungihlala ekhaya.
yeah
So I was traveling njalo from Imandeni. So yeah, but ngazothi ngihlala
eflithini
I'll figure it out. And njalo ke futhi every event engangi-attend I have to show up with my sesh. So yes, it's a shame. It did open a lot of doors. Maybe personally,
Yeah.
you know, it gave me a platform.
so you've exposed
It would say voice me to be trusted. It gave me, you know, to be seen, even regardless of what's kanjani. But the fact that it was an intro.
yeah
Yeah, so mase ngingaphakathi sengabona ukuthi hey ngifela ukuthi mina I clapped hands mhlambe for uShepherd kodwa ngimshayela ngonkanyiso, you know. Okunye I can't even put it to word ngoba kuyinto engachazeki, you know. And then but I understood ukuthi mina ngivela office ngithi nje hayi oh no so Girls Network I'm going to make it Girls Network larger scale proposal doing presentations left right and center and then okay Girls Network yenza umgqibelo mhlambe preparation done. Then Girls Network doesn't happen. So I understand, you know. So you can do it. Oh, when manje I'm go understand. So but as ngikhule ngabona ukuthi no man. Ingoba nje mhlambe ngangazi mina ukuthi ama stand to Thobeka's guitar before ngiyenkanyisa nto manje ngiqonde nginkanyisa. Yabo. So I think it was those things. That's the language, and I think politics somehow cause noma ngingazi kanjani I believe actually I've never had these conversations even with anyone. I think yeah. Kodwa manje uma ngibuka ngiyabuka ukuthi oh no yabo mhlambe ama bizwa ngani inkinga zakuma department or yabo udlalela yiphi team
Yeah.
kind of a thing. So I think all those things. And then sadly shame I didn't get some of izinto that I was promised. But I still had to show up, you know. I remember one of the most uncomfortable positions engakangaba kuwona was having to attend interview and begging uThobela kuqala ukuthi ngicela ungangibuzi ngokuthi, you know, ngoba ngicela
uzoxoxa
ungangibuzi
unkanyisi
ngebhaluni ngoba now
Uzo-
angilitholanga, you know. But I mean, I'm on the front of newspaper, guys, with all the balloons that turns out
Tall.
right? And then so ikumangiti I continuously had to show up as if ngilento kuthiwa engithi ngiyona. But it taught me a lot. Crazy enough, angaze ngiphuce crown yami. So technically I should have added when we said second introduction yami. Why do you add lapha ekuqaleni? I'm so edit. Because but do I regret anything? No. So yangisho in that aspect ukuthi uma ngibuka manje actually shuthi la yonke indawo la ngangishayisa khona edongweni kungadluleki ngisho those closed doors. I may not have names for it, but ngibuka izinto. I know if izinto zazenzeka by the books ngabe I was a greater superstar.
See, right now, there's a girl that is watching this. Like right now, there's a lot of young girls, and you work with a lot of young girls that look at. Khona ingane manje ehalelana yongena eNtombi Sithebile. Okay, mawuthiwa sebeyawubuyisa noma sakhona yini manje. What can you say to that girl with the experience wadlula kuyona ngalesa sikhathi?
I'd say to ingane she must go for it. But I would wanna speak to laba benza ama pageant rather. Those are the people I have a message for. Who would say you cannot be in a leadership space but then you mislead. Cause ngoba abaningi a lot of other girls babenganayo support yama noma bale mina enganginayo.
Yeah.
Mina ngangitshela uma yonke into ngitshela baba yonke into ukuthi hey kwenza u1 no2 no3 no sidile nayo whatever and ngikwazi to bounce back.
Yeah.
But some people abanye abazali abanayo le relationship ezinye ingane. So angikwazi ukuqeda iphupho lengane esafisa ukuba uMiss South Africa
Yeah.
or uMiss eThekwini just because uLelo the founder of uMiss eThekwini didn't deliver accordingly.
Sure.
So sometimes it's the people in leadership trusted
misleading.
with izinto who are misleading kuphela and therefore kubulale iphupho. But again, lucky for me, for me iphupha aliphelanga. So I definitely tell njengoba ngisho medicine nearly killed me, but girl child lalela sambe apply again.
Miss Tegwini.
Senze yenze medicine.
So Miss Tegwini by the time you had your 21st.
Yeah.
Oh my word, Laila ngakhona ithuthu. Ngakhona DJ Tira.
Yes, Baba.
First time mono DJ Tira.
Wait, was it before or after?
for after
21st.
Yeah, your 21st.
Yeah.
Were you already mistaken? I think you were. Oh, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Oh, you became afterwards.
Iman face ngangangaka 2016.
Oh, no, then. Oh, no.
Angazi. Angisazi yazi kodwa anyways yeah.
Almuntu DJ Tira.
Oh yes.
Nethuthu.
Love.
21st kalel.
I was so happy. Oh, but
Anyways, and I wanted to go to that point. Yes, Lord. Uguti, when he said you were so focused, did he say that from a point? Yes, you said it. Uguti said it as a joke, but do you think Uguti said that because of what the industry is,
yeah, he said it because of everything.
what it does to young girls, right? And to people in general, also, could it be?
I think he said it, he meant it. Definitely in a joking way, but he meant it because nje wakhuluma nami impela wayisho lento efisa ukuyisho. I think he said it wayisho kukho konke. Uyabo wafunda mfethu wayiqeda medicine udokotela wethu wena, you know. Wawenza zonke lezi zinto futhi. I think he meant konke. Like konke njengoba usho industry, everything. But you know something mhlambe for it, as much as kuyinyanga abantu besifazane ngicabanga of abantu besilisa who have contributed to umuntu wesifazane enguyena
Okay.
in my life.
Let's
And
support that.
ubaba is one of them. DJ Tira, I still call him ubaba. Uyang manje
Akathi ipheri.
uthi manje usethe hey usukhulile manje usuzowashada ususisi. I'm thinking angisosisi mina ngisazothi baba because I met him when I was 14. I was still dancing. kodwa yonke samngcono sewadlula ngoba lapha ufuneka abantu abano-18 kambe baneminyaka emingaka uma ungena emalentuzaneni you
Emaklabhini.
Ngangidonsela
lelo
ubonga
bebengena
iDube though.
14.
Yeah, so ngangisadonsela ubonga iDube, and so when I met them, I'm 14, 15, and the goal was Afro, because njengoba besho uNkanyisa, Afro was like, if I'm part of that family, I would have made it in life.
Yeah.
So then that's when I met Subaba through Baba Mogdala, who's late, so Umshengu, I'm not sure if you know him. I think he was the right hand man and PA yababa ngisazi. So then ngaba introduced to Afro.
Yeah.
So one thing Ubaba did for me, DJ Dira did for me, abantu abangayazi, it was the conversations engangiba naye in rooms like this. So ngangimcela naye for meetings. So esaqala, so ngangihlezi ngifuna ukwazi izinto abazenzayo behind in building the brand and so Baba once sat me down, ngisasanda nje ukufika ke eAfro, and I'm telling him the vision enginayo ukuthi indaba amantombazane, uma amantombazane vela kuma music video indaba kuthiwa DJ washa kwacima zonke ini after njalo izinto
Khuluma
Ishu yini intini? Ufuna ukuthi yini intini? Yeah. No, safe space.
awukho sesontweni ke la
Safe
ngiwazi ngisorry
Bazosibulala kuma comment section. So yini in nathi singayazi ukuthi yini in.
Mama baze bathonza ubaba wakho.
Bathi balume. Yes, balume.
Malume. Wayethi, okay bengithini? So, wengihlalisa phansi.
Yes.
Wengihlalisa phansi. Ethi, for example, ngeke ngamcela ukuthi cela ngifundise uku-DJ.
Okay.
His response was, angeke ngikufundise until you graduate. Hence, he was doing a graduation yami. Yabo. So it was those things. Wasethi how ngizwile wasethi la eThekwini it's indawo encane. Ngizwile about ukukhula kwakho nanokuthi ayithanda izinto zokumodela, ufuna ukukhuthaza izingane ukuthi zigcine and I heard that story ngawe.
Yeah.
Ibambe kanjalo. Sengiqedile esikoleni ngihambe ngiyobavakashela Afro sengiqedile medical school. So nami an internist there ngiyafika kuyena so ngangiphume kwenye photo shoot. I think babe attending event. So mangifika ngiyamtshengisa ukuthi oh no nge photo shoot ngicabanga ungenele competition akusabe competition yani modeling kodwa online. And then wathathe letha la iphone yakho wathathe iphone yami wangena ku Instagram. And then wasethi ngizoyilike zonke izithombe. I'm not even sure if he remembers this. Wathi ngizoyilike zonke izithombe okumele uyidelete ezingasiyo quality right ngoba manje le brand
Oyibuildayo requires certain things.
yabo. So all those things, and for me uDJ Tira was one person where wayezongisendela lawo ma message, yabo njengoba ufunda manje good luck. Wayengangibook for ukuthi ngiyoperforma if azi ukuthi ngine
Uyobhala
exam.
kusasa.
Yes. Wayezo-check ukuthi babeze bazi benomshengo ukuthi ngibhala i-BAP. So bangibhala i-BAP, it was the easiest. Then ngangithi hayi BAP. Ngazi ukuthi bayazi.
Ungeze because it's
Bayazi.
easy. Yeah.
When we're going for performances, I remember guys kwakusakhona now I feel like I'm old. Kwakusakhona
awubhale eli khulile
lento. Afro. Yes. Cabanga.
Mina ngimncane ngoba kuyazi. Ngimncane.
And then angithi ngisaqala ukudansa I used to perform, so I used to perform ngedwa like a dancer bengimixela ingoma in fact nayo ubaba uDJ Tiro wayengenzela lento imix
Yeah.
lokuqala ngidlela ingoma ye-R&B but so athi nato perform after perform Sierra,
Oh, Sierra, Sierra.
So they were like, I'm trying to say, me understand, my relationship with Afro, and I think nje being Afro young in so
Yeah.
many ways. So mina ngihlala manothi ami eBAP emotweni mfuku ukuthi kunomsindo kakhulu. Kwakhona indawo engathi sa VIP ngemumva, like I think it was glass whatever. Ubaba izofika ethi no. Ulelo uzohlala lapha ngihleli lapha ne Red Bull ngiyafunda until my performance, and then sasathatha isinqumo sokuthatha umshengu ima ngiperforma la around bazongilanda mhlambe 30 minutes before I performance ngiperforme
Ubuyele res.
You know, so for me, those were the stories that people don't know. Uyabo about him. So why ngiyala? Yabo indaba yokuthi ngike ngizwe ukuthi wena
Sekwenzeka ukuthi
you know
so-
uqomi celebrities wena wenze. He was that person. He was literally a father. Through and through ngase ngaqeda mina.
Shout out to DJ.
Hey.
Yeah, man, it's so nice hearing that side of the industry. Isigayazi lesazikhona ukuthi kunengane groomwayo kahle yentombazane and gets guided kule industry. Sikujwayele nkosi yami lo. Sijwayele ukuza the horror stories. The
Very horrible one.
The horror
No,
stories,
thanks,
like,
thank
this
you
is
for that. And also thanks to Malume for doing such a wonderful job also.
Umuza sanje phone leyo. Phone leyo.
Uxele bese kwakunjani ngalezi ayikhathi
Guys, I give us 2 hours.
yes yeah
I mean 3.
Okulo 5 hours wakho.
Mina angihambi. Hayi angihambi mina.
yabo kwi-entertainment like ngey'khathi ze-afro ne-big nas I think it was peak entertainment in South Africa or maybe
eThekwini.
The entertainment is not done that way. Like that superstardom is different right now. Bakhona ama-celebrate.
That was a Brother Fassi level.
Ama-celebrate. Kwakungama-rockstars wangempela lawa hayi indaba yokudlala. So how was that life bethu uyibhalansisa nokufunda? Noma awuzituphi ngokuyobona kwezinye indawo uyahamba but ngeke I'm sure you are amazed by ezinye izinto.
Wait, so uthi imngibuza
How was that life like the ubumnandi bayo
Yes.
manje yes because ikhona iside labo lobumnandi.
Yes. It was for njengoba ngishilo qane ukuthi it was a dream come true for me ukuthi
Ngibona we-after, okay.
Yo sengicabanga uma enkandla my mother in law ukuthi mhlawumbe uzoyibheka le music video usengigoogle
Yeah.
nah ungayibuki ngiyahlala yo it was yabo ngangithi yo I've arrived, you know, because from ukudansa Mzansi Rockers deeper ukudansa ekhaya the goal was ukudansela celebrities, you know, the goal was ukudansela abaculi and to perform. So and then njengoba ngisho ukuthi sengifikile so mina I would go umama namanje usayenza ubaba lento uyahamba uyothenga iphepha isolezo ilanga uyathenga kaDlamini kwaDlamini athenga u2 elakhe nelama
Yeah.
uzoshela umama seyahamba esikoleni, right? Uma into ayenzayo uye kula section engasekugcineni
Le
bheka ama
entertainment.
auditions yes auditions so ngiyakhumbula umzambiya umsa auditions ongacabanga ekhona mina uma yafona siyama auditions eThekwini. So when I finally made it in Bongi Dube then ngase ngiba exposed so sihamba sa perform no Bongi Dube and ngase ngaba exposed kwilento zani to everyone else. Ngangazi ukuthi ngifuna ukuba ubest emdansweni and I was. So nje ngangilapho uthi ufuna ukuexcel ufuna ukudansa in this so lento yokuthi uma ngithi ngangibiza ubaba for i-meeting ingoba ngangibuka ukuthi angeke mina ngiassociate nento enegative. So lento yokuthi hawu uma uhamba no DJ bona no DJ shuthi ujola nabo, you know, shuthi ulentuza ama drugs shuthi uyabhema in. So the concept of a meeting was ukuthi baba let's restructure this thing. Every girl ozoza la iba nomuntu ozoba responsible naye ukuze amantombazane engabe ne direct contact. Yebo sometimes girls will come and bazovuma abantu mabeshelwa, you know, nani. But akwazi ukuthi wena une structure and I am happy to say I was part of that change. Amantombazane ezayo kumele enze njani? Kumele eholelwe.
Yeah.
Amantombazane mizonto because indaba lokho ekuthiwa nje amantombazane angakhokhelwa in. So those are the meetings we had and ngiyakhumbula ngithi kuyena ngithi eAfro ngizocela bengangiholeli for my performances ngicela ngivulele ikhampani so that I'm the person because manje mina ngisafuna ukuvela kuma music video and ngisafuna ukudansela ibig ngangakayidansela ibig night
Hawu.
ngisafuna ukudansela ibig night ngase ngadansela uSintos dansa no Juice and so I'm like angikwazi la khona mina kuthiwa hayi nginokungcola niyalentuza so it was yabo so I don't consume alcohol ne ngawugele Red Bull so I think I also got to experience it in its full form uyabo.
Yeah.
And the goal was to be the best. And ngiyathanda unkanyisa njengoba bethe i-afro was. And nami ngangazi ukuthi i-afro is. And therefore ngifuna ukuya
Khona
the
ku-best of the best.
Best of the best, but it was so much fun. Ubhuti wami hlezi ethi, "Ayi ngeke wena, you lived the life that I wanted to live." Because so we were traveling.
Ngene endaweni kuyacaca ukuthi ngingene e-afro.
It was so, for me, it was so much fun nje.
Yeah.
Yo guys, ngangithanda ukudansa. Yey. Yabo ngangithanda lokho okuxakayo. I just wanted to dance for a living.
Yeah.
So, and also that's why ngiyakhumbula when the babes, there was babes, kwaba khona amadada, nan. You know, for me, I think I remember being ngase ngingekho kulentozana e-Afro kakhulu, but I remember ngiba naleyo joy yokubona into enjengamadada actually exist as a platform where ngempela abantu can live off kanje, to see a growth yaslenda, to see in. For me, ngise-rest, I was like, yes, this was it. Yes.
Uslenda no-Ondi,
You know, love them.
I know, I just want to say something to Ondi, but usaliphakamisa iflake lase-afro and she takes care of, yabona le vision lo awunayo, she is doing that.
she's
Whenever they
amazing.
do something, she makes sure ukuthi nje yonke into iyenzeka nje kahle. Because
Yeah.
ngike ngibone nakuma-shoots, nakuma-VIP, she's uyazi, u-responsible nje, kahle kanjalo. Hey, shout out.
No, shame. But kwakumnandi, guys. It was, I loved it. The traveling was nice, and just being surrounded by, you know, uklala nama celebrity, and it was just, it was beautiful. It was a dream come true, literally.
Now what we celebrate ngakini.
So ngeke uhambe nama-celebrity ngalo.
Oh, celebrate ngakini.
Celebrate ngakini, yes.
Oh my word.
ngakini.
So before we close.
Why are you closing?
Hey,
Why are you closing? Man, guys, it is so close again.
No, I have to show 5 hours. I have to show 5 hours. I have to show 5 hours.
Ngicela senze i-series izoba phansi.
What? Waphetha ama-outfit khona uzoshitsha.
Uma sengihamba security date sibe ne-briefing yini nge-serious ngicela zoku-interview futhi serious
So beke ufuna ukuyivala ngicela ukungena khona la ngikhalela ukungena khona. So, you spoke about an experience where you come to an environment you uyibuka ngale ndlela uyibuka ngayo ukuba eThekwini ne. Not referring to that now, but I'm referring to an organization or platforms that are here akhona eThekwini ebekumele ukuthi ayasiza say-youth, but because of leadership ne-leadership style ekhona, it's really not doing anything for abantu. Like because izinto ey'ningi phela zihlala nathi si-youth ngoba nathi siyakhula. Because I even made an example last time sikhuluma ukuthi it's someone ohlele ekhaya ofisa ukuthola umsebenzi. Uthola ukuthi uno-connection avela uthole lo msebenzi bese ayithole seke-lead. Akana vision yokuthi lento la seyizobhenefitha kanjani abantu, and akanayo intshisekelo yokukhulisa umphakathi okanye ukubona ingane encane ikhulu. Yabo wena even from the youngest age unentshisekelo yokubona ingane ikhulu, and ubabakho usenayo le nto yokubona italente nento enhle kumuntu. So these people are just there to work, they are at work. Njeba kwezinye indawo abanye yes certified ufake lapho impilo yomuntu la ethuthisa kwefayela. So we are not putting that much responsibility on them. We will forgive them for not knowing, yabo, because I'm sure if they know ukuthi it's not just about your salary. If wena ungathatha salary yakho kanye uthathe lo piece okumele uthathe kwi-tender bese udedela abanye, you can do better for society. But asikazi siyibuye kanjalo impilo yethu. I was even saying yazi kukhona abantu ababa amakhansela endaweni uthola ukuthi uyena ophethe, akakaze lo muntu lo akhule esifisela i-community yakhe ubuhle, but because usuke ukwipolitiki usekwazi ukuthola isikhundla ngokuthi mhlawumbe ulusa abantu okanye wenzani wabulala wathini uyasatshwa, but ukwazile ukusithola leso sikhundla, but angeke akwazi ukunecharisha lokho okunye okuzayo ngaphansi. So how are we then gonna be able to solve this thing, T? I'm posing this question to you. Because now, yabona nje
You are
busho
part
kanje.
of that world.
Yes, yabona nje busho kanje, you just got i-license yokuba i-promoter eboxing. There's a lot that comes with that. Kunentwana encane ezofika inephupho lokuthi ingene ibe one of ibe a world champion kwi-boxing. Fortunately, it can even come from your hands. And ingaqala kuwena lelo phupho linganetshorisha wena okanye libulawe wena futhi. Yabo? Wena yabo nje ulelo nkosi ongena ndaba ne-boxing. That responsibility lies on you. So nakwabanye kunjalo. So how do we then do this thing? Because look at it right now. Sine podcast. La kuningi okungenzeka. Should I take advantage of this? Then kunezinto eziningi engiyidamageayo. Should uShepherd take advantage of this? Kunamaphupho amaningi awavalela ngaphandle. How do we then do? Because zikuthina siyakhula ithina sizoba yilama leader kusasa.
And we have the platform.
we have the what do we do?
Yo. Ha.
Because ibukela kude kwamanje but siyeza we are getting there.
Yo, ayingeke shame. What do we do? I think unfortunately angazi noma sonke guys sonke singama visionaries or
No, they're very
yabo?
people like that, yeah,
Unfortunately.
yes.
Yeah.
And then I think ungenza you're making me igama I've been obsessed with since last day leadership and manje of late is impact, hence the campaign is boxing for impact.
Of course.
But I think into esishayayo isikhathi esiningi thina ngathi asinawo ama tools of understand ukuthi kusho ukuthini ukubambisana in its full form. Ne I think it's one of those things. But as it's one of the reasons why izinto eziningi zingakwazi ukuzaleka and zibonakala ekhulu. Ngobani? Ngoba ilento yokungafuni ukubambisana, understand ukuthi ukubambisana kusho ukuthini and seeing growth ngendlela ethile. With leadership and abantu njengoba uthi siyakhona ezisikhula, I think maybe kumele siyinqamule lapho. NgoJuni engaging with abantu abasha I was saying isikhathi esiningi I kept referencing quotes ya Babu Mandela yokuthi invest in abantu abasha because they are
They are the
future
future.
leaders. So I was like, I'm challenging that quote because mina ngibona ukuthi mina ngiyilida yamanje. So I was saying we are the leaders of the now. And maybe if singabeke sesiblamer whoever is in the platform. So for example, I'm privileged to now be exposed to ama leaders, you know? And manje angikwazi ukuthi yabona unkanyisi njengoba umphathi la 1 2 3 mina ngibuza ukuthi mina njengoba ngunompumelelo and la engikhona ngizom-influencer kanjani? How do I challenge him as he is my expected leader?
Of course.
How do I challenge him so that he allows me to step into my leadership la engikhona? So I think lento your leadership, how about we instill it kusase? Because unfortunately, vele konakele wherever la konakele khona. I was there was a leadership summit with leadership and mental health. Yeah, you and I was invited as a speaker. So kwakhona directors, abaphathi, you know, nan. And throughout the session, khona la ngisho khona ukuthi and wawuza ukuthi ngizothini isifiso sami nje kokubavezela ukuthi njengoba umphathi uphathana kanjani and wena uyaphatheka na.
So accountability
Yes,
on their side.
uyabo. So I think enye into esilimazayo iyo le yoku expect vele ukuthi ama leaders ethu and not being able to deal with ama failures, with ama disappointments and not delivering from our leaders. I don't know. I actually do not have an answer for it, but I think for me, mina njengamanje ngizibuka mina kukho konke. I remember being appointed or being nominated for the climate change. Don't hazake angihlangana the climate change, you know?
Yeah.
And angihlangani climate change. Njengoba ngithi angihlangana boxing manje. Kodwa mase kuchaza ukuthi ngihlangana kanjani, you'll be amazed. So when I got the email, I was like, okay, climate change. I'm like, all right. I'm like, oh, ngiyabona yonke into. So, hey guys, lapha phela ngicabanga ukuthi ngizohola. Kanti mangikhansela. Ngicela i-climate change ingayiboni le nto ngiyaxolisa. Yeah, no, actually, that's, for me, it felt like I got a job. Because vele phela manje ngisasebenzi and. So, ngangithi, it felt like I got a job. Anyways, fast forward, but yeah, I'm just, then I understand because we should be a council member.
Sure.
So when I got appointed, I was like, mina-ke, I'll say, I'll say yes. And then I'll figure out, if ngibona ukuthi, then yeah, I decline. So I told myself, ukuthi, okay, ngiyakule nto le, our first meetings appointed as climate leaders, I was like, you know what, Father God, if ngifika kule room, and after our first session, and ngiyabona ukuthi angibelong la, ayikho umehluko engizowenza, I will gladly withdraw. Yabo? So I went there. I think ile nto kenye esishayayo ukuthi for me isifiso enginaso ukuthi ngiqinisekisa kanjani ukuthi othobeka and nomakhelwane laba bathi abafane nolelo ngiqinisekisa kanjani ukuthi izingane ngempela ziyibamba lapho bese bancane ukuthi be able to say ubizwe kwi climate change and uyazi ukuthi lento le angihlangani nayo and usubonile ukuthi awukho umehlo engizowenza la ukwazi ukuthi no. So being able to say no, even if imnyango isivulekile, and not just, but unfortunately, vele ziningi izimo ezisenza sigcine njengobusho ukuthi athathe, accept, but not be able to deliver.
Yeah.
So I think it's being honest with yourself, ukwazi ukuthi I won't be able to deliver, and remove yourself from that. Ukwazi ukufaka abanye.
Yeah.
So for me, ukwazi ukudedela abanye, who will deliver? But unfortunately, akukho kanjalo. With the climate change thing, when I was in that room, hleli khona bonke abantu, onke ama-leaders, allow me to say, within kwi-province. Ngihleli lapha into yokuqala ngayibona ngathi ngimncane mina la, Tig, umuntu wesifazane, Tig. Futhi ngudokotela, ayikho umuntu dokotela. You know, I'm gonna use my doctorness. And I'm like, climate. I'm like, there's a global reach. Dun. Oh, I've never done this. This is interesting.
Yeah.
Ngizoyenzani mina ngale nto. And I found an answer, then I stayed. But if I didn't have an answer, ngabe, guys, ngabe nje nganqaba. Yabo. Even with the boxing, I registered for it I think it was 2022, if not 2023. Since then, I've been having the conversation no baba. But I'm like, baba, angihlangani ne-boxing. And ngempela angihlangani nayo. Bengingahlangani nayo, right? Ngobani ngibuka ukuthi ayikho into of substance engizoyenza la. So I can't risk. Ngihambe meeting e-boxing months, I'm like, ngithola. Only now this year. So I didn't commit to it. Ngani bengiregistiwe kumnandi ngabe ngaphapha ngenza iposter ngaposta ngithi hey guys mina and kanyiswa mina shame one thing about me I will hype ama-chips ami ngilalela yabona lawa I make sure. That's another thing my dad
Your
taught me
parents,
to celebrate
of course.
myself. Njalo mangibuye ne-award baba bengithengela inkukhu. It was chicken anyways. Yeah. But bengithengele lentuzane without fail. So actually that number 5 into engayifunda kuyo. So manje mina mase nithi nje guys ngi-ambassador le ekhaya. Kanye so big. Manje kanye so Shepherd bese ngathi mina ngi-ambassador yala ekhaya, you know, ubuso bamngene la. Into engingayenza ingaphuma billboard lalela nawe udideke ukuthi kwenzakalani, you know. Befuna ukuthini ngambi? Yeah, so already God, I registered it, but it's been silent for forever. Yeah. Only until now, sengizama ukuzala kabusha my NGO, and I'm like, actually, nan. Let me unpack NGO yami. As I was trying to unpack izinto engiyifisayo, I'm like, yini enye engayisebenzisa to actually get to le goal enginayo with my social ills that have always bothered me. For example, teenage pregnancy, whatever. And then I was like, boxing, boxing. And I took it literally. Ne? I'm like, boxing, fighting, you know? And then ngayicabanga. I'm like, what does boxing mean to me? Ngayicabanga nje went far back. I'm like, ubaba uyiphila kanjani ibox? In what made ubaba who he is? You know, how did ubaba become the hero? You know, emphakathi. I'm like, all these things. And I'm like, how do I bring that back with boxing? how do we create ama-heroes angempela? Guys, I went as far as thinking, yabo lento ama-bullying, that's why manje nje bathi kuthiwa khona ingane futhi eshonile esikoleni or something, like it got to me.
Yeah.
I was like, yazi mhla shuthi nganesikole sama-box, ngizoqala ngama-bullies onke ey'koleni. Woza, ngithiwa clever laba basiklasa.
Ngena
Woza la, woza
esikoleni.
la, ngena eringini because you know, lento awukwazi ukuthi uyasatshwa esikoleni.
Yeah.
But wena uzosaba eringini. Abakusabe because bakuhlonipha, but because they also feel safe. Now,
Around
like ngase ngilapho. So I was like, if boxing izongenza ngifike kwizinto ey'kanjalo, we mina ngizoba sethubeni lokuqeda ibullying ekoleni, then I will do boxing. So now I'm finding my reasons why. Uyabo. Sengikhohle umbuzo wakho. Why am I talking about wait, bengithini? But anyways,
uhamba kahle kodwa.
yeah.
Uphendule wawucela.
So uyabo, so I think yeah, so into yokufuna nje ukwenza, but bengisasho ukuthi ezinye izinto ziningi izinto vele ezisikhoza ekugcine contribute ukuthi abantu begcine nje bedla nanoma ekuphi ukudla, and not only eat ukudla lokho umzimba wabo ekudingayo. But I wish for us to be able to say no to izinto even if zihalisa kangakanani. So for me, that's what I'm doing with boxing. I was like, I'm glad ukuthi ngakwazi ukuthi no, even if ngibona ukuthi hayi yabo omunye uthi hayi boxing ngizothi ngizoyenza imali yabo ngizodla imali ngizoyenza in whatever the into oyibonayo ngaleyo nto. So for me, until I found substance in yona,
Yeah.
then only I'm speaking about it now, and I'm hoping, and nakhona angazi noma kuzoyenzeka, by the way, but you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, unfortunately,
Akuzokwenzeka, in God we trust.
Akwenzakali.
Akuzokwenzeka.
yeah.
And she went as far as calling me and sending a message ethi nginayo inisithombe ngigqoke outfit ye-boxing.
Kanjani njani? Kanjani no?
So
But
bekungani-
no, but like I don't have
Khona
clothes.
i-AI mfnawethu uzokulikhulu.
Imagine, kodwa guys, imagine ukanjizona shepherd befaka ama-gloves, sebefake ama-shorts,
Asayipromote, khululeka.
sebefake
Amakhwa. Wathini usijava ukuthi amavanga enzeni? Wathini usijava ngamavanga?
Shepherd masejime kahle wena. Uyi ke.
Wow, wisilend ushabheri ngamgeka.
Hayi fine, fine, fine.
That was a good question. Wena, what do you think?
Uyibeka kahle, and I like your first point. Sort of like a collaboration kind of thing, because then that's where most of these issues lie. In a sense, yokuthi, it's like partnerisha nomunye umuntu okanye mangicollaborate nomunye umuntu, when I bring someone in closer, or as a leader when I consult, then it feels like I'm dimming my own light. So that's where the issues start, where umuntu uthola ukuthi yena uzofuna ukuthi kube ngazuthi if I bring someone in, then kushuthi mina ngi-inferior okanye mina ngikwazi ukwenza umsebenzi. Inkinga eyiningi ziqala lapho, hence abantu begcina sebengazi ukuthi benzeni ngama-position abanana, ama-opportunities nama-platform, because abafuni ukuconsult abanye. Uma ngase le position ithathe lo, that means kushuthi mina mangikhiphe kulo 2 million enginawo, ngakhipha 300,000 ngawufaka kulo, sengiluzile. I'm not only seeing that as a benefit ukuthi ngiyagaina. It's like right now, if I can get a gig ezongikhokhela 100,000, if I pay someone or a videographer a percentage kulo mali, I see that as a loss, and then it becomes a huge problem.
Yeah.
Because now asikhulisani sinjani.
Yeah.
Kanti
That's-
babe,
But also, I think Lelo, looking at it from your perspective, it has to be in you. It has to be into yoguti. You find Leah Center. I like that you do that every time you enter into a new space. You find that center that relates nawe. Obonayo ukuthi, okay, I'll thrive if I look at it from this direction. And inkingi leyo ukwenza into wenzele ukuthi nje I'm just doing it. Cabanga if you're gonna do the boxing thing and just do it nje just for the sake of doing it, then angeke sasibamba lesasindo. Ngoba even abantu that you bring on board are not gonna be people with the right vision for it. So I feel like lenta kade show ngikanyisa ukuthi we have to hold our leaders accountable because ibona banama resources okuletha abantu to say, no, Ulelo is perfect for climate change. Ulelo is perfect to go into boxing because she has the heart for it. And must let nombani, then into yethu iyaqala iderail and then even nama objectives that aren't supposed to be there to begin with.
Yeah.
So Kapa, even looking at it from that perspective, you have to have it in your center.
But also it's like how do we then inspire or rather encourage or motivate? You use the word ukuthi how can you inspire them or rather inspiration ukuthi baye in that direction, because we now know ukuthi we have a problem. Ukuthi most people get in these positions without having lola goals no fuku to want to make change. How do we then inspire them to move in that direction to say, Unkanyeso is a perfect person for this. You are the perfect person for this. Lelo is perfect for this. Not ukuthi 8 years, I'll tell him.
Ya laba abadala Thobeka it's lost cause because yabo nje besho ukuthi usiphephela ukuthi lento umuzalwe nayo kanye uma uyikhulu olalela i-podcast at least angakwazi ukuyifunda understand ukuthi me giving someone an opportunity is not a loss to me. But otherwise laba sebekuma position laba abawalelayo abantu abanesibini sokuhlala no 2 million nje wethenda abangenzi lutho. But umuntu angene ofisini abe yilid unyaka wonke aphume engekho umuntu omphointayo ukuthi lo ekule position
ukhulile.
ukhuliswe yimini okanye ngamsiza lo kanye ngamncedi, like what?
But also this goes like this thing, because you can't tell me, and I liked what you said, ukuthi when we are fundiseka yini or when we are leadega yini unjani wena as a leader. Because these people are parents. They are husbands and wives. They are brothers and cousins. Kunemndeni emakubo. It's like how do we then also encourage their family members and people in their circles ukuthi basho ukuthi Thobeka mfethu siyakubona ukuthi uphumelele unjani, but dude,
So imali khalisa German hand yokugcina yabo labo kumele la khona yena ziwa ngakhalisa sakhe isicathulo. Uma efika kubo akudla kuphawu engekho ayiphuma into ukuthi engekho khala iGerman hand abaphuza utshwala ngebreadwini abaphuza utshwala engekho. Methenga ubutshwala yena kumele kulindene ukuze bavule. Uma kuthenge inyama yena kumele kulindene ukuthi zidle. Akwenzeki bona labo akwenzeki lutho bengekho. Like completely.
oh baba bavotela noma bangenwa nje. Khona baba votela. Nobody's going to struggle. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Lelo. You want to say something?
Say breadwinner, I'm going breadwinner. I can't Lindy.
I have a last question.
Yes. Before we close.
Isikhathi simashile uBrian usafuna simashe.
Yeah.
I have a last beminingi imibuzo engisafuna ukubuzana.
Yeah,
Work
just-
with abafana abancane manje mfethu.
Yeah.
I wanted also to
I
ask
think you're
about
going
that.
to
Yes, but mfethu, I mean, yabo indlela okhuluma ngayo isitori sakho nezinto ozenzayo ziningi and ubusy it's like you're taking care of people, uhila abantu, uyabaphilisa, wenza konke okwenzayo. Umbuzo nje wami wodwa, ubani okuphilisayo wena?
You savage. Okay, maybe Shepherd with my father again. Yo,
Mm-hmm.
that question.
Okay. Think
It's
about
deep.
it.
Yeah, I think now I'm gonna take it to God, guys. I'm gonna take it to God, and I think especially manje izolo, not izolo, sometime this week, bengibuka ukuthi kade ngibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi yo ngiyabonga ungenze ngibone ukuthi I am the rainbow ubaba ekhuluma ngayo. So bengibuka ukuthi I think njengoba ngithi I felt like maybe I'll find my way with medicine. So bengibuka ukuthi ngoJune kade ngikhuluma nentsha and I was the youth doctor. Bengikhuluma nentsha and beku right kwahamba kahle. I was able to I had a message for them.
Yeah.
NgoJuly bengikhuluma namadoda. And nengane zabafana, you know, as a speaker for the men's month and manje August and bengikhuluma nomama. Bengikhuluma namantombazane. And I was just like ngiyabonga for making me that person who has a message for abafana, for amantombazane, for ogogo, for, you know, and I saw so much power in that. But now I know. Mhlambe ngoJune bengazi, but now I know ukuthi yeah, ongiphilisayo, it's the word. Honestly, I've been finding so much strength. I've been finding so much strength in the word, and so sengizamile ngizama ukufunda iBhayibheli yabo, and uma ngikutshela ukuthi ngiyiphi ichapter uzobona ukuthi ngikuphi ngikuGenesis, and so so you'll know how far I've gone.
To those who know, it's the first book.
Beginner, and I was just appreciating ukuthi you know, in the beginning kuqale ngobumnyama, whatever there was light. So my take home from that, I was like, oh yes, even if ngabe kuthiwa ngidlula kwizivunguvungu now, but greatness is guaranteed.
Absolutely.
So it was intention vele so if ngabe ngikude empilweni, if understand ukuthi bonke ubumnyama engidlula kubo, onke ama challenges engidlula kubo, they are just the beginning. The ending is greatness.
Yeah.
You know, so with that, now I know ukuthi ngiphiliswa nguye.
My father.
Thank you.
Amen. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Lelo, for joining us today. Part 2 years. Part 2.
It is not
Here's
good.
our
Back
part 2.
to
Here's
Annie.
a part 2. But
Siyabuya.
thank you so much for inspiring me as well.
I love you.
I love you too.
But she's doing so. Enye into engangibuzanga yona. Engangibuzanga majida. So Brian.
Dave Bryant.
Brian, I love you. Ukuthi yazi, and for I wish ama leaders ethu engaba naleyo nto uma engasinika ithuba azokwazi to experience, for example, what I've experienced with Utobek, because understanding a vision yomuntu, allow me to say mhlambe yanga who's behind. Sure. And when you then see sekanya, yo guys, what it does to you, you know ukuthi it is possible. And ngampela if our leaders gave us opportunities to see our vision to existence, and nabo be understand leyo nto ngabe sikude. It is so beautiful to see you grow.
Yazi lento engiyisho ngo-Oskido, like Oskido, o DJ Zinhle, o DJ Maporis, they are so doing very well. Bakhuluma kahle ngawe.
It's so beautiful.
Ngize ngakhomenta uZinhle ade perform umfana lo uThabani. Indlela ade hleli phansi admiration ngayo. Ngaze ngahluleka ngisho kuyibaba ngathi
so
you are the Oskido of our generation.
It is so beautiful. So,
Fethi.
man, Shepherd ngibuya ni September. Danke, can I do it? Danke majideli, danke my sister, danke Brian. Because isikhathi nafuna ubona isikhathi. Guys, kodwa ngiserious afuna ukuhamba.